guys, Darren from venomfluidart. Thank you so much for joining me today on the Fluidart Express. So, what we're going to do today is just have a little bit of fun. Something super easy for beginners to actually have a play with. We're going to destroy a radial swipe. So, if you do a radial and you dig into the pillow or you don't quite get it right, it's no big deal because we're going to destroy it anyway with this one. You get some crazy cool results. So, stick around and enjoy the ride.
You don't have to lie to me. Don't fill your head with things and think you're free. I can smell the fear, I think you made it clear. Yeah, I could be rude, be in the mood, I could be rotten. I could be cool, mind like a fool, but never forgotten. Creeping in the dark, waiting for you. You won't like what you see. Yeah, I feel like a monster. I'm just here to haunt you. I've become your nightmare, slipping in your dreams. I'm the definition of the worst kind of mean. Yeah, I feel like a monster, and I'm just here to haunt you. I've become your nightmare, slipping in your dreams. I'm the definition of the worst kind of mean. Yeah, I feel like a monster. Coming for you, I'm not heater on you. No, I'm just telling you the facts. Oh, these chains can keep me down. Yeah. I can be rude, be in the mood, I can be rotten. I can be cool, mind like a fool, but never forgotten. Creeping in the dark, waiting for you. Yeah, I feel like a monster, and I'm just here to haunt you. Dreams, I'm the definition of the worst kind of mean. Yeah, I feel like a monster, and I'm just here to haunt you. I've become your nightmare, slipping in your dreams. I'm the definition of the worst kind of mean. Yeah, I feel like a...
You don't believe in monsters, do you?
Of course not.
I do.
See me change into something darker. Yeah, I feel like a monster, and I'm just here to haunt you. I've become your nightmare, slipping in your dreams. I'm the definition of the worst kind of mean. Yeah, I feel like a monster, and I'm just here to haunt you. Dreams, I'm the devil. my card, I know what it costs. Yeah, I put in the work that you don't. Day after day, I work in the play. Yeah, I'll do all the things that you won't. Even when my feet get tired, I will keep on moving higher. I'm the story you don't speak of. I'm the one they call the underdog. Cause every time the push comes to shove, I'm climbing over you to reach the top. Cause I want everything and nothing at all. Yeah, I want everything and nothing at all. Cause I want everything and nothing, 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 nothing at all. Don't care what you think or what you believe, cause I'm gonna turn the world upside down. If you want a shot, just step in the ring. Yeah, I'ma shake your bones like thunder. Even when my feet get tired, I will keep on moving higher. I'm the story you don't speak of. I'm the one they call the underdog. Cause every time the push comes to shove, I'm climbing over you to reach the top. Cause I want everything and nothing at all. Yeah, I want everything and nothing at all. Cause I want everything and nothing, 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 nothing at all. I don't want nothing at all.
Alright guys, I'll do a flyover of that one. Those are a load of fun. So, really, they're perfect for a beginner, because if you stuff your radial up, you're going to run a skewer through it anyway, and you're going to get some crazy patterns anyway, so definitely give it a go. Heaps of fun, I love it. Alright guys, up next we've got Kristey from Creations by Kristey. So if you click on the name in the title of this video, it'll take you to her channel. Or, if you're in the live chat, just click on the link that I put in there, it'll take you directly to her premiere for today. If you're a member of Paint Borrowing by venomfluidart, there'll be a play all list link in there for everybody on the Fluidart Express. That's the easy way, you can't get lost. So, alright guys, if you like that, hit like, share and subscribe, bring that notification bell. Ding ding! That way you get to see all my crazy stuff as I release it. Okie dokie, that's it from me. So have fun, take care, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.